Is your Monzo card headed to the wrong address? Don't worry, we're going to fix that in this quick guide. First, unlock your phone and tap on the Monzo App icon to open the application. Make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you are logged in, look for the profile icon. It's usually located in the top left or right corner of the screen, or sometimes at the bottom navigation bar. Tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. Now scroll down until you see personal details or something similar. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the app version. Tap on it. On the personal details page, you'll find your current address listed. Tap on the address itself to edit it. You'll now be able to update your address. Carefully enter your new and correct address information in each of the provided fields. Double check for any typos. Once you've entered your new address, tap on the Save or Update button. This is usually located at the bottom or top right of the screen. Monzo might ask you to confirm your identity for security reasons. Follow any on-screen prompts, such as entering your PIN or using facial recognition. And that's it. Your Monzo card delivery address is now updated. Make sure you update the address at least 7 days prior to ordering a card to prevent delivery issues. Your new card will now be delivered to the correct location. Subscribe for more Monzo tips and tricks.